I am explaining you how to work with Lobbying Disclosure Act database. So if you know your client name, click on client name, then you click submit, and for instance your organization is National Organization for the Reform of Marijuana Laws, then you click submit, and then you get your results. Oops. Yeah, you do this thing on date posted, so you use only data for this year, 2020. So you click on this, and what you see, they spent less than $5,000 on lobbying Congress, and they used LDA definition. Remember this class about various definitions of lobbying. And these have been the issues. These are the acts on which they have tried to push the agenda. And again, some of the acts. So I think this report is pretty straightforward. Hopefully you understand how to use it.